Firmware Update Guide for Pulsar and Yukon units. In order to update the firmware, you need a Pulsar or Yukon unit with the Wi-Fi module, an Android or iOS smartphone, and install the free mobile application Stream Vision. Before the start of the update process, make sure that the unit's battery is fully charged or connect the unit to an external power source. First, download and install the Stream Vision application on your smartphone. After installation, open the application and allow the use of required permissions. During the first launch, information with the latest updates of the application will appear on the screen. Before the first connection to your unit, Stream Vision applications does not have information about it. For this reason, some of the icons on the main screen may appear not active. For correct work and full access to application's features, connect your unit to smartphone via Wi-Fi. Activate Wi-Fi in the unit. It can be done in the main menu of the unit. Enter smartphone settings. In wireless networks, Wi-Fi connections, select the network with the name of your unit. During the first attempt to connect, it may request a password. The default password is 12345678. When the unit and smartphone are connected, launch the Stream Vision application. The main screen of the application will have the name of your unit on it, and all icons should be active. If some of the icons are still not active, wait for 2 to 3 seconds while the application gains access to the unit. Enter the My Devices screen. Here you can find information about your unit. Enter the settings of the unit and check the availability of firmware update. Turn on mobile data in your smartphone if it's not activated. Press the Check for Update button. If your unit has the latest firmware, you'll get the message that update is not required. If firmware update for your unit is available, the screen with information about update will appear. In the information screen, press Download. After, the firmware update file will be downloaded to your smartphone. In My Devices screen blue button, Install New Firmware will appear. Press Install New Firmware button. You'll see the status bar showing the state of uploading the firmware in the unit. Once the status bar is full, the firmware update process will start in the unit. Firmware update process can be observed in the eyepiece. During the update process, it is not recommended to press any buttons. You can check the update in My Devices screen of Stream Vision app. The string with FW index will indicate the new firmware number. The firmware number can also be checked in the main menu of the unit in the information menu. Note, if it is impossible to get access to internet using mobile data, any Wi-Fi network with internet access can be used. For this purpose, after installing Stream Vision and connecting to the unit for the first time, disconnect from the unit's Wi-Fi network and connect to the network that has internet access. Then, in My Devices screen, download the firmware update file. In order to upload the firmware file to the unit, connect to the unit's Wi-Fi network again.